Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to make money on YouTube. You can earn money on YouTube by applying for and being accepted to the YouTube Partner Program. Only channels that follow YouTube channel monetization policies may be able to monetize. They won't tell you what you can create on YouTube, but they have a responsibility to do right by the viewers, creators, and advertisers. If you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you can earn money through YouTube. When in the YouTube Partner Program, they hold to a higher standard. To make sure you're rewarding good creators, they will review your channel before you're accepted in the YouTube Partner Program. They will constantly review channels to make sure you're meeting all the policies and guidelines. Take note that you may be liable to pay taxes on your earnings from YouTube. You can make money on YouTube through the following features. First is advertising revenue. Earn revenue from watch page ads and short feed ads. Channel memberships. Your members make recurring monthly payments in exchange for special perks that you offer. Shopping. Your fans can browse and buy products like merch from your store on YouTube, super chat, and super stickers. Your fans may pay to get their messages or animated images highlighted in chat streams. Super thanks. Your fans pay to get their message highlighted in your video's comment section. YouTube Premium Revenue. Get part of YouTube Premium's subscribers' subscription fee when they watch your content. Each feature has its own set eligibility requirements on top of subscriber and view count requirements. If the reviewers believe that your channel or video is not eligible, specific features may not be available. These extra thresholds exist for two main reasons. The most important one is that they have to meet legal requirements in every area where the feature is available. Then, because they want to reward good creators, they need to make sure they have enough context on your channel. Generally, this context means they need more content to review. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it on the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!